Salut chat, c'est Alissa, est-ce que tu peux
Hi,
m'entendre?
chat. It's Alyssa. Can you
Aujourd'hui, je
hear
vais vous
me?
parler de mon plat
Today I'm
préféré.
going to tell you about my
Moi, j'adore les œufs,
favorite dish.
surtout j'adore les
I love
omelettes.
eggs.
Les omelettes.
That was not a prepared translation. ChatGPT was listening in French and speaking in English almost at the same time. And that is only one thing GPT-Live suddenly makes possible.
Can you simplify that?
Sure can. Can you explain what a full-duplex voice model is?
Yeah, imagine a normal call with a friend. You can listen and talk at the same time. That's full duplex.
The important phrase is full duplex. Old voice assistants worked like a walkie-talkie. You spoke, stopped, waited, and then the machine answered. GPT Live works more like a phone call. It can keep listening while it talks, so you can interrupt, correct yourself, change direction, or pause to think without restarting the conversation. That enables much more than smoother small talk. You can translate a conversation while it happens, practice a language through fast role play, talk through a messy idea without being cut off, or add another request while ChatGPT is already searching. It can keep the conversation moving, bring back harder answers from a stronger model, and show visual cards when weather, maps, sports, or stocks are easier to understand on screen. Tom's Guide played rapid Spanish World Cup commentary and reported that GPT Live delivered a continuous English interpretation over the broadcast. OpenAI's own tests also show a large jump in expert science reasoning, although those remain vendor-reported results. You can try it now in ChatGPT Voice on the web, iPhone, and Android. Free accounts get GPT Live 1 Mini. Go, Plus, and Pro get GPT Live 1. Look under Settings, then Voice for Live. It is still a launch product. No live video or screen sharing yet, no connected apps or plugins, and some ChatGPT workspaces and tools are not supported. Where this gets interesting is what comes next. Voice that can take action, software that speaks useful context before you ask, and conversations that cross languages without stopping. OpenAI says GPT Live is coming to the API, while its related real-time tools already point toward travel changes, scheduling, customer support, and multilingual work. The breakthrough is not that ChatGPT sounds more human. It is that you no longer have to speak like a machine to use it. Try one real task in voice. Translate a conversation, talk through a messy problem, or interrupt it halfway through an answer. In the comments, tell me what GPT Live enabled for you, or what you think it is going to enable for you.